Horns up and welcome to Headbangers Kitchen How To. My name is Sahil and this is my new series where I show you how to do things. And today I'm going to teach you how to cook chicken breast properly in the Instant Pot. Now chicken breast is one of the best and most versatile meats. You can use it for a number of recipes and it's always great to have some cooked chicken breast lying around in your kitchen. So today I'm going to show you how to make that and also 3 delicious recipes using that chicken breast. We're going to do a delicious chicken sandwich, a chicken salad and a chicken with delicious gravy. It's going to be delicious. Anyway, enough jibber jabber, let's get cooking. How to cook chicken breast in the Instant Pot. We obviously start with the meat, and these are chicken breasts that are fresh / thawed / at room temperature, and we're using breasts without skin because let's be honest, nobody likes soggy chicken skin. So save that for some chicken crackling if your breasts come with skin on them. Now I will season the breast on one side with salt. You can also season it with pepper or any other seasoning you like, but I will keep it simple, so just salt for now. Turn on your Instant Pot and add a cup of water to it. I'm actually going to season the water with some salt, then add in the trivet which comes with the Instant Pot when you buy it. Now place your chicken breast salted side down in the Instant Pot on the trivet, and now you can season the non-salted side. Put the lid on the Instant Pot, turn the pressure knob to sealing position and pressure cook this on the high pressure setting for 6 minutes. Once that is done cooking, you want to set a timer for 10 minutes. After that timer goes off, you want to turn the pressure knob to the venting position and let out any steam that might still be there. Now pop that lid open and your chicken should be perfectly cooked and ready. Just look at that, perfectly cooked chicken breast in your Instant Pot. And it's the same cooking time even if you use double the amount of chicken breast. Remove the chicken from the Instant Pot and feel free to take a moment to admire the handiwork of the Instant Pot. After that, remove the trivet from the pot as well. And now you want to strain the liquid from the Instant Pot and keep it, because guess what? You just made a delicious and very clean tasting chicken stock. This is why I seasoned the water, so this is actually a proper salted chicken stock. How good is that, my friends? Now let me show you how to cook frozen chicken breasts. And this time I will not salt the meat before cooking it because we will shred the meat later and season it when we use it. So add a cup of water to the Instant Pot once again. Now place the frozen chicken directly in the water. Yes, you can use the trivet, but let's skip it for this one. It's not mandatory to use anyway. Put the lid on the Instant Pot. Turn the pressure knob to the sealing position, and now we pressure cook this on the high pressure setting for 10 minutes. Once that is done, set a 10-minute timer, and when that timer goes off, turn the pressure knob to the venting position and let out any steam that is still there. Open up the lid and there are your chicken breasts cooked and ready. So remove the chicken breasts from the Instant Pot and set them aside. Once again, strain out that liquid and you've got yourself a delicious but unsalted chicken breast stock. It's great for soups, sauces and much more. Now I will just slice into that chicken breast to show you how well it's cooked, and I will recommend that you also read the blog post on headbangerskitchen.com for all the additional information. And just look at how perfectly cooked it is, my friends. Absolutely stunning. That, my friends, is your frozen chicken breast cooked perfectly in the Instant Pot. Now I'm going to take one of the cooked chicken breasts and shred the meat using my hands. You can also do it using 2 forks, but seriously, get in there and use those hands. At the end, you'll have a bowl of delicious shredded chicken. Take another one of your cooked chicken breasts and now I'm going to slice it into nice thick pieces. And just look at how perfectly cooked this chicken is. It's beautiful. This is actually from the first batch that we cooked from room temperature. And there you have it. Your perfectly cooked chicken breasts done in the Instant Pot, frozen and fresh. We've got a full chicken breast, one that has been sliced up and the third one that has been shredded. And now I will show you some delicious and easy recipes using each one of these. So strap on your seatbelt and get ready for the chicken ride of a lifetime. Anyway, enough jibber jabber, let's cook. With our shredded chicken, we are going to make a delicious sandwich packed with loads of flavor. I start by seasoning my shredded chicken with some salt and some black pepper. I will add in some mustard mayo, which is a mix of mustard and mayonnaise, a few pickled chilies, and I'll just cut some spring onion greens into that well using my scissors for a bit of freshness and crunch. Give it all a good mix and our chicken filling is ready. Time to assemble the sandwich, and I'm using regular store-bought white bread, but you can use any bread you like. Lay on that chicken filling onto one slice of bread, cover it with the other slice, then just cut across diagonally and your sandwich is ready. And how good does that sandwich look? So delicious. You could even grill this sandwich if you like, but this works just as well. Anyway, time to taste. Alright folks, let's taste the chicken sandwich. That is one good sandwich. Yum. I got nothing else to say. It's a chicken sandwich. I love sandwiches. I love chicken. It tastes good. Now with our chopped chicken, we're going to make a delicious chicken salad. It's going to be super tasty and a great meal for any day of the week. First, we're going to make the dressing for the salad with some olive oil, to which I'm going to add some vinegar, and I'm using sherry vinegar. Season that with some salt and pepper and then give it a good mix. And our salad dressing is ready. Now in a large bowl, add some lettuce, some chopped baby tomatoes, some pickled red onions, some sliced green olives, the chopped chicken breast, and then pour the dressing over and give everything a good mix. And honestly, you can pretty much use whatever you like in this salad. If you don't like olives, use some capers maybe. If you don't like tomato, maybe add bell peppers instead. You get the idea. And now we're just going to finish this by crumbling some fresh goat's cheese over the salad. Once again, if you don't like goat's cheese, you can use any other cheese. And that is a quick and easy salad that you can make with your Instant Pot cooked chicken breast, and it's super delicious. Anyway, enough jibber jabber, time to taste. Alright, now let's taste our chicken salad, and this is one bowl of fresh goodness. Oh yum. Oh, that salty hit of the olives, the goat's cheese, the acidity from the vinaigrette, the freshness of these tomatoes, and that perfectly cooked chicken. I mean, this is a protein-packed salad. Wow, yum. So good. This is epic. Oh yeah, horns up. Our final dish will be using the full chicken breast, and it will be pan-seared in butter and served with a delicious chicken gravy using the stock that we made from cooking the breast. Start by pressing the saute function on the Instant Pot and add in some butter. As the butter is melting, season it with some salt and some black pepper. We will also add in a splash of oil which prevents the butter from burning. Once that butter is melted, we add the chicken to the Instant Pot. Now the chicken is fully cooked, so all we want to do is get some color on it and brown the outside a bit. So make sure the heat is on high, and you just want to sear that chicken breast for maybe 30 seconds on each side. Once it has some color, remove it and turn the saute function to low on the Instant Pot. Then you add 2 tablespoons of regular flour and whisk that with the butter. And what we are doing now is creating a gravy. Now you want to add in the chicken stock bit by bit, and you want to keep whisking it. Remember, this is the stock that we got from cooking the chicken. So I'm using the salted stock, and that's why I won't add any more salt to this. Now the reason we add the stock slowly is because you want a nice smooth gravy. You don't want any lumps. So keep adding that stock slowly, And once it's all in, just let it cook for about 2 minutes and it will thicken up. And then in goes my secret ingredient, a glug of soya sauce, which will transform that pale brown sickly color of the gravy to a rich brown that will take you downtown. And that's it, the chicken gravy is ready and it looks smooth, thick, silky, rich and delicious. I mean, that sauce is one smooth criminal. Dum 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 dum. Now all you gotta do is pour that gravy on your chicken breast, which you can serve with a side of vegetables, and be generous and douse that bird in sauce. That, my friends, is your instant pot roast chicken with gravy ready, and it looks so good. Now you know that your boy got your back, so I'm gonna cut into that breast and show you how delicious and perfectly cooked that bird is. Anyway, enough jibber jabber, time to taste. Now it's time to taste our chicken breast that has been doused in our chicken gravy. Oh yeah. Oh, that gravy is all chicken. Oh wow. And the chicken breast is perfectly cooked. It's soft, it's tender, and that gravy is like, it's chicken on chicken. It's a chicken fiesta. So good. What a perfect meal. Some veggies, some chicken, some gravy. So good. So good. And that, my friends, is how to cook chicken breast in the Instant Pot. And I do hope you will make all these recipes and let me know how you like them. If you enjoyed this video, please do smash that like button and do subscribe to Headbangers Kitchen for more awesome recipe videos. And let me know in the comments below what you'd like me to show you how to do next time. Anyway, that's enough jibber jabber from me. I will see you on the next episode of Headbangers Kitchen. Until then, cheers and keep cooking. Oh, and one more thing. Make sure you go to headbangerskitchen.com and read the blog post for all the additional information. And if you like the show and you want to support what I do, you can grab some Headbangers Kitchen merchandise like this t-shirt that I'm wearing. The links are in the video description box just below this video. Or just watch another Headbangers Kitchen video.